beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? According to our Indian climatic conditions, right now we are going to show beautiful cotton sarees. These are all value added. The range will be right from 1000 to 1800. These could be the ranges. According to the value added things, the ranges may vary. If it is plain, the ranges will be 1000 to 1200 or else 2000 to 1800. So let's start the show. These are basic cottons where you can find patchwork, and this is the first saree which I am wearing, and the blouse is this. Maintenance is like you can start the saree and right from morning till night. It's so comfortable for this climatic condition, especially for this climatic condition. Alright, and this is the blouse where I have got lovely collections in this. Colors are different. The sari is a basic cotton sari, and since the value added things are there, you will be finding like the ranges will be like 1000, 1200, 1500 of those ranges. And this is this pallu part, and this is the body full. The patchwork comes here and there. So this is how the sari looks, and the blouse is this. You get the same blouse like that. Alright. And for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to that page. Please WhatsApp if you have any doubts, 958550176. The second color is this. Alright, and then the third color is this. So we have totally 4 colors in this. So this is the body, and this is the pallu part. And next it's a coffee brown color. So this is how it looks. Saree is so pretty and beautiful. And alright, so this is the saree, and where is the pallu? This is the blouse, and this is the second design, I guess. So the saree full comes this way without any contrast matching, and the second saree is this. If you want contrast matching, you can go for the first 4 sarees which I showed, and this is the second contrast matching, same matching. And then see this is a contrast matching once again. So this is the body part, and this is the pallu part for this. I'm not going to open the full saree because the saree may folding may be like go somewhat. So this comes with a plain matching. So there are 2 concepts in this, one with the contrast matching and one with the same matching. However you want, you can go for it. Next, the design. It's our most special design, and see, this is how the saree looks. See, this is the saree, and we have got a beautiful matching blouse for this. Yeah, you can find a lovely blouse for this. In this we have got right now only 1 color. Alright, and then the next saree is a patchwork. All comes with the value added patchworks and everything. So this is the saree. It comes all over patchwork, and here there are no pallus in these sarees. Pallus are really plain ones. It comes with just a border, and this is the pallu part, and blouse is really nice. Same as the box print, you'll get this blouse. Alright, I have got nice colors in this. This is the yellow color, first is the pink color, green color, and then the orange color, and then this yellow color. First I saw this yellow color. All colors are too pretty and too good it is. Alright, and then the next design is this. First I'll open one design and show you, and then I will show you colors in all the designs. So in this, the pallu part is this. So the pallu is this. Alright, and this is the body. So this is how the saree comes. So you please, why I am making this video now, so that you can understand how the saree really looks. So this is the body, is the laria type, and this is the pallu. And then what's the blouse? Blouse is this contrast matching blouse. Okay, in the same design I have got colors in this. So hope you can understand how it really looks. So this is the pallu part, and the body is the lahriya part, and this comes with the blouse. And then the next color is this. So these are all the different beautiful summer colors or bright bright new colors and bright new concepts. And then the next sari is this. You can find an ikat print. It's not original ikat, it's ikat screen printing, patchwork all over the body. So for these saris, the pallus are very simple. There are no this thing, only a single line. And the blouse, you can find a beautiful blouse. So this is how the blouse looks. Alright, and these two are similar. A little bit of print alone is different. You can find a maroon print on this, and here you can find a black print on this, but the concept is one and the same. What is next sari? My favorite, black color. So all the designs are one and the same, only the inner portion differs. See, the pallu is this, and you can find a blouse for this. This is the blouse for this. Alright, and these patchworks comes all over and have got beautiful colors. According to the patchwork, the blouse will be 1, 2, and then 3. All are lovely colors. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. Then, what's the next concept? It's a very beautiful simple sari. So you can find all over design. See, this is the pallu part, and this is the body part. You can find all over embroideries on the body. So, and then the blouse is like a bandhani printed. It's not original bandhani, it's bandhani printed blouse. So it comes the same way for all the saris, where we have got different color combinations. Summer colors, these are all purple kind of pale, and this is a peach one. All are nice beautiful colors. So we have got these 3 colors in that. Then our next concept. Last year this was a super duper hit, and this year also we have brought the same concept, but of different, little bit of difference here and there. Lovely it is. So you can find that is the hand work. It comes all over the border, and this is the pallu part, and the body is orange with pink, and this is the girly design at the middle. So this is the blouse part. And what colors they have in this? Let me show color combination. 1, 2, and then all are pretty beautiful colors. Say which color you don't like. I love all the colors in this sari. And then the 4th color is this. Something really different and unique. Alright, and what's the next sari? This is our all-time favorite sari, where I'll open one sari and show, so that you can understand how it really looks. See this. This is the sari, pallu. This is the sari, shoulder, and then half and half. Alright, and this is the pleat area, and this is the blouse. What it is, only this design varies for all the sari, and see, you can find the difference. Wait, this is the second sari, and then this is the 3rd design. Alright guys, and this is my 4th design. So these are all the 4 different saris, where the concept is one and the same, but the designs alone varies here and there. The next sari is, these are all plain ones, and these are all Siko by Cotton. Like, it is very good for the summer, and the feel is so amazing. It's just a plain sari. I'll open one and show, so that you can understand how the pallu, sari pallu and everything are. So this is the sari, and right, and this is the pallu part for this, and the blouse is this. And I have got wonderful colors, 1, 2, and then 3, 3rd color. All nice lovely colors. And then the second concept is this. Alright, see, this is also a plain nice cotton sari. I'll open one sari and show, so that you can understand. These are all very comfortable and easy to wear, casual wears, office wears, and right from morning till night you can wear the sari. Easy maintenance also. And this is the blouse part. They have got nice colors in this. 1, 2, 3. It's a beautiful Bengal gram green color, and then kashish color. 4 colors I have got. And what's the next sari? This is Seiko silk cotton. Seiko silk we call this as. Even for this, starch is not needed especially. And how the sari really looks. See, this is the sari pallu, and the blouse part is this. So this is the blouse part, and I've got nice colors in this. 2 and then 3. See, the color is like pale. All are pale colors. And then the second design in this is this. Take it up. See this. The first design is this. The second design is all over checked one. And this is the pallu part. Alright. And this is the blouse. And yes, I have got colors. 2 and then 3. These are the 3 different colors. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the above link, or else you can WhatsApp us 958-550-1762 if you have any difficulties in payment gateway. Thank you so much.